What's up guys? Welcome to my channel. So karong adlaw is Sunday and it's winter dire no. Yeah. Karon di I'm going to cook spam. So a spam from China. So actually it's from the States but yeah. I scanned the barcode here and it tells na naa siya dire sa China. The barcode is real. I will share to you what app that I use to check if the barcode is real. I will share this one. I will put this one later. So mag-slice na nun og spam kay magluto og spam. Then I love spam so na siya muna nagpalit kog spam. And shout out dahil sa akong mga Cebuano friends dira sa Cebu. They're celebrating Sinulog Festival. Yeah, wala ko dira. I'm not there. So sad. I hope next year na nako dira, no? For the new year. Oh, no, sorry. For the Sinulog. So, yeah. So, mag-slice ito karon. Ako sa i-open ang spam. Good thing, there's a can opener. So, it's not difficult to open. So, let's open now. Ako sa ibot akong phone dali kay mag-bisa tag-open. So yun lagi siya. It's easy to open. Kumot man din yung spam. So mani siyang sold sa spam. Yeah, the same spam. Sa atong spam dira, no? Spam good. So just the same. So ito siyang pupuon. Dili siya mada. So we'll get a spoon. So, ito na siyang lugiton para makuha na to ang spam. Spam. Ay, magpa-deform siya. So, ito na siyang slice ay. Okay, we will put this one in our plate. So let's get. Actually, I already washed my hands, no? Basin kayo mga hugaw, but I already sliced and wash my hands. I do slice my hands. Okay. Number 2. Actually, spam naman na sa email, no? Actually, it's in email spam. So spam is like an email, like advertisement something. The question is, are you spammer? Are you scammer? Ay, scammer dito. Spammer, spam. Slice. Number 4. Gani siya. Ika-opat na ni siya. I wish I'm in Cebu right now, no? To celebrate Sinulog. But sadly, nako dere. I'm here in China. Okay, so I already sliced 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 slices of spam. Okay, so now we will go to our kitchen to cook the spam. Okay, so now nanata diri sa kitchen, so I'm putting oil na sa ato ang pan. Actually, I'm not using a frying pan because I'm afraid that the oil will, jump out from this, so I'm scared. So good thing it has cover, so I need to cover while my spam is being cooked. in my casserola. Dili siya, it's not frying pan, but I'm using the casserola instead. So I already put some oil, you can see that. And yeah, we're ready to cook our spam. I know, not yet. I will turn it on today. So I have to, I'm not familiar with this, I'm just experimenting. Oh no, not that one. Okay, turn it on. Again, then this one, and this. Like around 70 or 110 degrees. So, you can hear the oil is, hear ba ninyo? Can you hear? Oh, you can see, right? So it's time for me to put the spam on our casserola. So I already covered the casserola with this one. So you can see the spam are there and they're cooking. So safe na ko karon sa hindi na ko mapiksan sa mantika nga nadira sa sud sa casserola. Ooh. So scary to be malagsikan tagkuan sa mantika, no? Kapit tayo. Look. Hey guys, napaig akong spam. So ang ubang parts niya akong gitang-tang, I took them away. Akong gibalhin sa tissue, akong gilabay. Kaya they cannot be eaten. So, ang napakoy last 3 batch of spam. So, muna akong bantayan nga dili mapaig. So, ako napahinayan iyahang heat and 270. So, di siya mapaig. So, I'll do the video again after the spam will be cooked. Okay, I'm afraid that it will be overcooked or burnt again. So, catch you up later. O karon luto na gyud atong spam. So, second batch of spam. So, this is the color na it's already cooked, a golden brown spam. Unlike my first batch nga, it's burnt already nga. It's so dark na. So, this one is already cooked. A perfect one, a perfect color of spam meat nga it's cooked already. Like it's a perfect one. So I'm going to eat now my spam soon. So thank you for watching guys and see you again for my next vlog. So bye bye. Happy Sunday. Greet it. Greet it. World robot. Okay, bye bye.